Okie dokie then, here we go. New sets, fairly recent, especially for Turkey. This is Aragog in the Forbidden Forest. 195 pieces, released this year. Who dares to venture into the Forbidden Forest with Harry Potter and Ron Weasley? If you do, let Ron lead the way with his lantern, but watch out for spiders' webs and the scary Acromantula Aragog. Wow, that's a mouthful. This massive creature has long legs and big fangs. Use Harry and Ron's wands to cast a spell and make your escape. Well, I won't be doing that, but I do like the fact that it's a spider, and I hate spiders, so yeah, a little bit weird for me to be doing this, but hey ho. And it does actually go with a couple of other sets that are already out there as well. I can't remember which one. I've got one of the other sets that can clip to it, so there's a few. I think there's the magical animals or something. There's that one. There's also the Malfoy one. These all can clip together. So anyway, I digress. That's the front of the box. You get two minifigs, Ron and Harry. You get two baby spiders, a spider's web, a little stand, and of course Aragog. So that's cool. Yeah, and there's the back of the box showing you, I don't know, was it showing that you can lift up the back? Okay, you lift up the body, maybe you move the body around, and it gives dimensions, and the dimensions are 18 centimeters 7 inches by 16 centimeters 6 inches. So yeah, not too small but not too big. Only 195 pieces, so shouldn't take long. I will do my normal speed build and I'll see you in a second. Oh no, hold on, let's open the box first. Let's do this. Okay, thank you very much. Cool. Oh, looks like we've got paper bags. Good job. Hello. Okay. Oh, that paper bag is stuck. What the heck? Why is it stuck? I don't know. Wow, that was actually stuck to the bottom of the box. Look, it's ripped. Well done, Lego. Good job. I don't know why it was stuck, but it is stuck. Anywho, so we've got 3 bags. Number 1, 2, 3. Nice and simple. Even me can do that. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Manual with just straight into build. Okay, so put those to one side. Open up bag 1, which I'm suspecting will probably be the spider. I don't know. Let's have a look. Grab my little container. Move the knife. Move the knife. Can't get my words out. Okay. Oh, a little mini bag one as well. Paper. Cool. Right. Yes, we have one minifig, and we've got the stand with the spider's web on it. So that'll be the first part of the build, which is all good. So that means that the smaller bag's going to be the spider. It's interesting. Okay. Before I start, I had an idea. Okay. I think I've got I've got a ton of poly bags. I was thinking of doing a live stream with a spinning wheel. So you spin the wheel to see which poly bag I build. If you think that's a good idea, let's do a live stream. I can do that at the weekend. Let me know in the comments. And it's a variety of sets, so many different sets, like different characters, Star Wars. What else we got? Let's have a look. So we got vehicles, Marvel, blah blah blah, bike, Formula 1 car, and a Mars rover. That's one lot. So that's vehicles, and then we got these are the characters. So you got Batman, you got Snowman, you got Santa. I got to build those anyway for my Christmas scene when I get around to doing it. Then we got Star Wars, we've got the X-Wing, the AAT, the AT-ST, and the TIE Interceptor. So that's Star Wars. So that's that, and the last lot are animals. So we got the baby gorilla, we got the monkey, we got the rabbit, and we got a dog. So the idea is that I put a spinning wheel, which will be, okay, so it's going to be animals, characters, blah blah blah, and then from there the next spinning wheel will be which bag, or I just do all bags in one spinning wheel and just spin it. Let me know what you think. Could be good fun for a little live stream. Not sure how long it will take, because obviously these are very, very small manuals to do the builds, so with my old eyesight it might take a while. Anyway, okay, so let's start with bag one, speed build. Right then, 33 minutes or something, even at my slow pace. Love the spider. Spider's really, really cool. And the body can go, you know, up or down. Obviously, striking pose is the up position. Very stable as well. Really, really good. Washability. If you want to wash a spider, buy this set, because its washability is fantastic. I love the printed face. If you can see that properly. Probably not. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, printed face, good. I mean, you can look. This is perfect. Well, obviously his body falls down, but you know, you can pose his legs, so he doesn't have to be the same all the time. You could put him maybe in a pounce. I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's go 1, 2, 1, 1. Yeah, so you can raise him up, which is really cool. I like that. Perfect. Didn't know if I'd like this, but I do. Okay, so the little side build is a nice addition as well. So yeah, I'm just going to put this back like this. There we go. And you can also move these as well, and these, so you can do whatever you want. So yes, very, very good part of the build. The side build, love it. Love the spider's web, the little flowers, and you can clip here and here, 2 different sets. I'll have to have a look and see if I can find the set later. But so that's good. It's got 2 little baby spiders, 1 spider web, a couple of flowers, a little bit of green. Quite nice, I like the colour scheme. Then you've got Harry with a scary face, and he's got like glasses on, and he's got the scared face. So the printing on the torso, I like it. And of course he's got his wand as per normal. Ron Weasley is probably my favourite character in the Lego stuff, because he's got a kind of worriedy look. I don't know what kind of look that is really, but that's one. And then that one's the scary look. He's holding the lantern to see what's coming, which is probably a mistake for Ron, and holding a wand. So yeah, you have to kind of put the lamp at the same level as his feet to make him stand, but yeah, whatever, not a problem. Overall, I really like the set, really enjoyed building it, and can't wait for the next one. So yeah, very, very cool. Oh, I did say the other day in the last video that I was getting a Lego City set being delivered, and there it is. That's for the winter video, or sorry, the winter setting. So we've got a lot of ski slope and stuff. Bigger box than I thought, but whatever. And I'm waiting for another one, the other one, to come today. So yeah, all good fun. Played a little bit of Lego Fortnite the other day, live stream. I'm going to be doing a video. I'm going to be starting a separate channel for Lego, because my normal channel, this one, is normally for gameplay and stuff like that. So it's, yeah, a lot of members don't really like what I've got with the Lego building, so I thought I'd start a new one. And guess what I'm calling it? The Brick Whistler, because when I build, I'm whistling to music. So I'm calling it the Brick Whistler. Whistler. I did try to get Brick It, but it was taken, and which would have been fun. But anyway, the Brick Whistler is going to be the new channel. It is actually up there, but there's just no videos yet. And I will probably upload the older videos like in a separate list, so it'd be like past videos or previous videos from other channel, and then this will probably be the first of the new ones. Maybe I'll do the Buckbeak video and then this one, and then just double post until we see what happens, because, you know, I understand people don't like Lego as much as they like playing games, so I thought if I start the second one, I can see what happens. I don't want to annoy people by putting up videos and then getting notifications and it's not something they're interested in. So yeah, the Brick Whistler is coming soon to a YouTube channel near you. Perfect. I'm also going to do an about me video for that channel, so if you want to find all about me and anything really, just me and my history and stuff, it'll be on there, and an introduction to the channel. So hope to see you soon. Like and subscribe. Pop over to Brick Whistler if you can find it. I'll try and get a link in the description, but it should be youtube.com/@Brick Whistler. So if you want to go subscribe to that, ready for the videos, please feel free. But I'll see you soon. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments about the live video. Do you think it's a good idea with the spinning wheel and polybags? Let me know. See you later.